Okay, let's take a look at how to differentiate between the three muscle tissue types on the models. So to the furthest left here, this is representing the cardiac muscle. The characteristic feature of cardiac muscle is that it has these intercalated discs. These are going to allow for the heart to contract in what's called a syncytium. So it's a synchronization of the heartbeat, and only the cardiac muscle tissue will possess those structures. Some other characteristics of cardiac muscle is that it is striated, so it has the light and dark bands, the dark bands being the A bands, the light bands being the I bands, and it is also uninucleate. So each muscle cell will only have one nucleus, and the cardiac muscle will be involuntary. All right, this muscle tissue type is multinucleate. So you can see that one individual muscle cell has more than one nucleus. It is also striated. It has the light and dark bands. We can also see here the neuromuscular junction, or the NMJ. This is the skeletal muscle tissue. The fact that it's multinucleate gives it away. And this muscle tissue type will be voluntary. The last muscle tissue type we can see here has a centrally located nucleus and spindle-shaped fibers, or muscle cells, arranged in sheets. This type of muscle will be involuntary, and this is the smooth muscle. We can find this in the uterus, for example. It will contract during childbirth, as well as in the urinary bladder and surrounding the blood vessels. All right, so smooth muscle, skeletal muscle, and cardiac muscle on the models.